All right, this is one of my favorite videos to film because, as I go through all of this step by step by step, it makes things sometimes feel like it takes a long time, but it doesn't. In this video, I'm going to show you how in under 10 minutes, I can have a retail item and a free plus shipping item live and ready to sell on my Shopify store. All right, so we're going to use AliExpress. We're going to manually add the products and let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so on AliExpress.com, we're just simply going to look for an item. So I don't know. Let's do a women's watch. All right. So let's type in women's watch. We got a lot of different watches that come up here. All right. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through, and I'm going to be picky. I'm going to be a little picky on this, even though we're on the clock right now. Okay. So I'm going to find one of these. Make sure that it looks good. All right, so I like this one. Let's go down a little bit. How about this one? All right, so we'll do this watch right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the price. It's $1.80 out the door. Scroll down here. You can usually find some really nice high quality photos down here. So you can right click and you can save these photos to add them to the store. Or you can come up here and kind of screen grab. I usually, just because it's faster, I'll come up here and I'll screen grab. So it's up to you. All right, so I've got that photo. Now let's grab this photo. All right, so I got this one. All right, so I'm gonna grab all of them. I'm not gonna go slow. I'm not trying to go mega fast. I'm gonna do it just as if I would do it building my own store. Okay, so we've got all different variations of this watch. Now, this is just called a Roman numeral watch, so we'll just call it fashion watch. All right, we're going to come over here to Shopify, click on products, and at the top right, we're going to hit add a product, okay? Now, we're just going to call this women's fashion watch. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a description for this watch. So typically what we'll do is we'll just say, usually, let's just say $49.99, and then we'll say today only you can get it for let's just say $15. All right, so you make up your own prices. This is just me going and just typing some random stuff in. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to make this look pretty. So we'll just bold. All right, and we'll make this bold as well. What we really want to do though is we want to highlight this in green, if you recall, so it really makes this stand out. And then what we'll do additionally is, oh, there's the underline. All right, we'll make this red, so it lets people know it's no longer that price. All right, and then we're going to just put down here product details, and we'll make this regular. All right, we'll make it black. All right, and we're going to come over to AliExpress, and we're going to grab those product details, which usually are listed right underneath the product, okay? So here we go. Here's our features. All right, so I'm just going to copy this right here, all right? And we're going to come back over to our Shopify store, boom, and we're going to paste it. All right, does everybody see that? All right, so we also want to notate under here the shipping time. All right, very important to notate shipping times if you're doing AliExpress. So you want to say, please allow 3 to 4 weeks for shipping and handling. All right, and put some stars by it. You don't want to hide this. You want people to know. All right, you want to run a good business. They're getting a good deal. They're going to have to wait for it. So then down here you might say, click add to cart before we sell out. All right, boom. Okay, so we've got our description here. Okay, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna name this watches for the product type. So this is a product type watch. Our vendor, we're gonna come over here and we are going to grab the vendor name. So let's do that, Claudia Store. All right. So we want to remember what the vendor is. So let's do a Claudia Store. Okay, now this is the retail version. All right, just so y'all know, we're going to do a free plus shipping version as well. All right, now we want to get the images in here of the products. So I'm going to come over here to my desktop. I'm going to grab some of these photos, and I'm just going to start tossing them in. So you can just literally drag and drop them. It's really quick the way it works. All right, we're going to put our price over here. We said that we're going to do it at $14.99. Okay, that's what we're going to sell it at. So not 1,000. We want to do $14.99. Okay. And then we have no inventory SKUs, none of that stuff, shipping, all that set up the right way. So here we go. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit save. Women's fashion watch. It's locked. It's loaded. It's ready to go. We can view it on the Shopify store. And look at this. Very, very nice. We've got our watch. We've got all the images on here. We've got our description. So it's good to go. We can make it look a little nicer, but this is what we have so far. Okay. Now we want to do a free plus shipping version. The great thing about free plus Shopify is all you have to do is come up here and hit duplicate, because remember, you want to do a free plus shipping version for cheap items like this. So let's hit duplicate, and then let's come over here and we're just going to rename this, free offer. All right, now this is how I notate them, so I remember this is the free plus shipping version. So we're going to duplicate this so we don't have to do a lot of that work again, right? So usually $49.99, and then here we're going to say free, just pay shipping and handling. Okay, so we want to let people know that they just have to pay shipping and handling. All right, and then down here you want to say please allow 3 to 4 weeks for shipping and handling, and customer must pay shipping for each. All right, so shipping and handling for each item. All right, so we're also notating that, hey, every time you purchase an item on here, that if you order 3 of these watches, you're going to be paying shipping and handling per each watch, okay? Because it's a free deal. There's not much money in it for us, and that, that's the way that it's going to be. All right, so you can even come down here if you really want to do it like this. You could say customer must pay shipping and handling for each item, $9.95 or $10.97, whatever it is. All right, now, of course, we want to bring in our images, so we can do that. So let's go ahead and grab these images and load them in. All right, sometimes you can duplicate it and it'll bring in all of the images already for you. Now, very important, down here we want to make sure that we make the price $0.00, okay? So $0.00, because this is a free plus shipping item. And depending on what app you're using for shipping and handling, you might want to change the weight to this item to 0.02, right? If you're using weight-based shipping, if you're using an app that controls shipping and handling, which you'll see in another video, you don't have to worry about that, okay? So now we have this set up. Let's go ahead and let's hit save. Boom. All right, so now we have our free plus shipping offer on the store. So let's hit view. All right, here we go. So $0.00 free, just pay shipping. We're live, we're ready to sell. You can even go in, we probably still have time to go in and add these 2 collections. So if you have your watches collection or women's collection, remember you want to add the retail one to the retail collection and the free plus shipping one to the free plus shipping collection. That way everything stays organized. So that's it, time's up. Here's both of our offers. They are on the Shopify store, ready to sell with the AliExpress drop shipping vendor, and we are ready to go. So listen, it's very simple to get these ads done. It's very simple to get these products on your store. This is even the manual way of doing it, which we kind of like doing. So a lot of people overcomplicate things, right? And this video is to show you that in under 10 minutes, you can have 2 products live, free plus shipping and retail. And just remember, you don't know what it is that you don't know. So this is a simple process. Get started. You can have your store with all sorts of products and testing before you go to sleep tonight, right? So it's really amazing. The internet and technology nowadays is just, it's created so much opportunity for us. So hope you enjoyed this Shopify quick start, quick overview, getting products live in under 10 minutes. And I will see you on the next video. And hey, crush it.